taken down by erosion. With the downed trees. Yeah, the tree fell. Heavens visible. Actually, I'm only different things the second time around in these cabins. Oh, a squirrel. Very making the soil underneath bunk beds. Completely gone. Most are probably laying down. Sink, plumbing, just a kind of a log cabin. Different times, because there's, wow, yeah, this looks older than the Stenny. If I did, I suspect I see another state park went through further down here. The newer thingy, yeah, this is a little deeper in the woods. All that blackness is log cabin, as well as this newer ones. So there's one I did not see. Oh, the light. This one up ahead is completely demolished, which they're all over this. They're all pretty much the same. Okay, now I can. Okay.